Hello, friends. Do you know what baby animals are called? Let's find out together. We will learn the names of animals, their babies, and the sounds they make. Let's begin. This is a lion. Its baby is called a cub. Do you remember? Yes, a cub. This is a tiger. Its baby is also called a cub. A cub grows into a strong tiger. This is an elephant. Its baby is called a calf. The calf follows the big elephant. This is a giraffe. Its baby is also called a calf. Say it with me. Calf. This is a zebra. Its baby is called a foal. The foal runs with the zebra. This is a horse. Its baby is also called a foal. Do you remember? Yes, a foal. This is a cow. Its baby is called a calf. The calf drinks milk from the cow. This is a sheep. Its baby is called a lamb. Say it with me. Lamb. This is a goat. Its baby is called a kid. The kid jumps with the goat. This is a dog. Its baby is called a puppy. This is a cat. Its baby is called a kitten. The kitten follows the cat. This is a kangaroo. Its baby is called a joey. Say it with me. Joey. This is a monkey. Its baby is called an infant. The infant holds the monkey. This is a deer. Its baby is called a fawn. Do you remember? Yes, a fawn. This is a pig. Its baby is called a piglet. The piglet plays near the pig. This is a duck. Its baby is called a duckling. Say it with me. Duckling. This is a penguin. Its baby is called a chick. Do you remember? Yes, a chick. This is a rabbit. Its baby is called a kit. The kit hops with the rabbit. This is a camel. Its baby is called a calf. The calf walks beside the camel. This is a hippopotamus. Its baby is also called a calf. Say it with me. Calf. This is a bear. Its baby is called a cub. Do you remember? Yes, a cub. This is a fox. Its baby is called a kit. Say it with me. Kit. This is an owl. Its baby is called an owlet. The owlet stays with the owl. This is an eagle. Its baby is called an eaglet. Do you remember? Yes, an eaglet. This is a frog. Its baby is called a tadpole. Say it with me. Tadpole. Great job, friends! Today, we learned about animals, their babies, and their sounds. Which one was your favorite? Keep learning and having fun. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye!